Dandruff is a common scalp condition that is characterized by flakes of dead skin cells on the scalp. It can be itchy, uncomfortable, and embarrassing. There are several things you can do to help get rid of dandruff. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Look for shampoos that contain active ingredients such as zinc pyrithione, ketoconazole, or selenium sulfide. These ingredients can help to control the growth of the yeast that can cause dandruff. Keep your hair and scalp clean, wash your hair regularly, and make sure you rinse it thoroughly to remove any shampoo or conditioner residue. Avoid using harsh hair products that can irritate your scalp. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to dandruff, so try to manage stress levels through activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Eat a healthy diet. A diet that is high in fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals can help to keep your scalp healthy. Foods such as nuts, fish, and leafy green vegetables are good sources of these nutrients. Get enough rest. Lack of sleep can lead to a weakened immune system, which can make you more susceptible to dandruff. If your dandruff does not improve with these measures, or if it is accompanied by other symptoms such as redness or scaling, it may be necessary to see a dermatologist for further evaluation and treatment.